Hi everybody, my name is Jim Johansson, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a vault on the 3DEXPERIENCE platform. To begin with, drag and drop the 3D Space application into your dashboard. Once the application has launched, you click on the arrow pointing downwards in the top toolbar and select New Collaborative Space. Enter a name for the collaborative space and then click Create. A collaborative space is the 3DEXPERIENCE equivalent of a file vault in which you can store and manage all your files to ensure that you have the latest revision of them.